Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Today I'll be showing you how I make rice and peas with red beans. I'll soak my beans overnight and then I'll cook the next day with a little garlic and salt until the peas is like soft. Then I'll season. I use green onions, scallion, thyme. I'll use scotch bonnet pepper. I'll use other seasonings for flavor, a little pimento green, and don't forget the coconut milk. Once this is boiled, then I'll add my rice. I'll add in the description box other seasonings that I used in it, like bell pepper and other things to give it flavor. Make sure when you're cooking your rice and peas, you use less water. If there's too much water in the pot, you're not able to take the water out, and that makes your rice very, very soft. See my rice, how it looks, Shelly? Less water. And always remember, it's the steam that cooks the rice and not the water. Once the rice is in and it's all boiled, I normally cover with foil paper and I leave on low heat for 20 to 30 minutes. Once I test and this is ready, then I'll turn the stove off. There will still be heat underneath it because the stove remains warm. Then my rice and peas is ready to be served. Remember, this is my way and I love it this way. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Again, this is red peas, rice and peas, or Americans call it red beans. Thank you again for watching. Thank you for subscribing. See you in my next video. Thank you.